Good morning, children. Now today we are going to do question number 3 and 4, children. Now question number 3 is Pramila painted the outer surface of a cabinet of measures 1 meter into 2 meter into 1.5 meter. Okay, Pramila painted the outer surface of a cabinet. Okay, cabinet is in the form of cuboid. Okay, because three different dimensions, three different values are there, so it means it is a cuboid. Now find the surface area she cover if she painted all except the bottom of the cabinet. So try to understand this question first. Now it is given that Pramila painted the outer surface. Okay, she painted the outer surface of a cabinet. This is your cabinet, which is in the shape of cuboid, and their measures are given 1, 2, 3, L into B into H. So L into B into H. So since this is smaller and this is bigger, so we will take 2 meter as length and breadth as 1 meter and height as 1.5 meter. Okay, children. So now we will you will have to find the surface area she cover if she painted all except the bottom of the cabinet. Only she did not paint the bottom. Okay, so the formula is TSA of a cuboid is equal to 2 into, we have 2LB plus BH plus HL, but she painted all except the bottom of the cabinet, children. So except the bottom of the cabinet means we have to remove, bottom means it has L and B, 2 into 1 you have to remove, LB you have to remove 1, so there will be instead of 2LB there will be 1LB plus 2BH plus 2HL to find how much surface area she cover if she painted all except the bottom of the cabinet. Now here L we will take as 2 meter, B we will take as 1 meter and H we will take as 1.5 meter. So L is 2 into 1 plus 2 into B is how much? 1 into H is 1.5 plus 2 into H is 1.5 into L is 2. Okay, so it is going to be 2 ones are 2 plus 2 ones are 2 into 1.5 3 plus 2 into 1.5 will be 3 2s are 6, so it will be 2 plus 3 plus 6 which is equal to 11 meter square. Always surface area TSA LSA will have meter square units, and for more volume cube units. Okay, so it will be 11 meters square. Okay, so therefore the surface area she cover if she painted all except the bottom of the cabinet is equal to 11 meter square. Okay children, now next question is, find the cost of painting a cuboid of dimension 20 into 15 into 12 at the rate of 5 paisa per square centimeter. Okay, you have to find the cost of painting a cuboid. So painting a cuboid means it will be outside, no? So that means you have to find TSA. Find the cost of painting a cuboid of dimension this is given. So we will find TSA of a cuboid first to find how much is the total area. Then the cost of 1 meter square, cost of 1 meter square, one square centimeter, not meter square, sorry, 1 square centimeter is 5 paisa. You have to find first area, then you have to multiply it with 5 paisa. Okay, now TSA of cuboid we will find first. TSA of cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Okay, H LB BH HL. Okay, now L is given as 20 centimeter, B is given as 15 centimeter, and H is given as 12 centimeter. L is 20, B is 15, and H is 12. Okay, now it is 2 into L is how much? 20 into B is how much? 15 plus B is 15 into 12 plus 12 into 20. Okay, 2 into 20 into 15. 15 2s are 30 with 1 0. 30 with 1 0 plus 15 10 times will be 150. Then more 30 means it will be 180. Okay, then plus 12 2s are 24 with 1 0. So this one will be, if you will add all this, it will be, this is how much? 300, 180, 240, 0, 12, 4, 5, 6, 7, 720. 2 into 720. 720 2 times means 1440. 1440 square centimeter is the area of the cuboid. Now it is given cost of 1 centimeter square is 5 paisa. You have to find cost of 1440 square centimeter will be 1440 into 5 paisa. Okay, so you can just multiply 144 into 5. 5 4s are 20, 5 4s are 20, 21, 22, 5 1s are 5, 6, 7. Okay, so it will be 720. 1 0 is there, so this many paisa. Now to write it in rupees, therefore cost of cuboid, cost of painting a cuboid is equal to 7,200 paisa. To write it in rupees, we divide it with 100. Okay, so this 0, this 0, this 0, this 0 get cancelled. So it is equal to 72 rupees. The cost of painting a cuboid of dimension 20 into 15 into 12 centimeter at the rate of 5 paisa per square centimeter is 72 rupees. Okay, 7,200 paisa, which is equal to, if you want to convert it into rupees, you divide it with 100. 0 0 cancel. So how much amount is required? rupees 72 is required. Okay children, watch the video carefully and do it once in your CW. Thank you.